And GoTen Srinivasan joins us from Singapore. Afternoon, GoTen. Finally, some green on the screens broadly across Asia. What's driving the gains?
Afternoon, Jung Feng. Well, Asian markets woke up to some good news, with Wall Street gaining overnight as upbeat business surveys from the US, Europe and China suggested that the global economy is on a firmer footing. Australian markets have performed well today, with shares earlier seeing their biggest one-day jump in 6 weeks, lifted by financials, which includes Westpac Banking and CBA. Better than expected earnings reports also bolstered market confidence. Besides banks, we had mining stocks like BHP and Rio trading firm as copper prices rose on positive China data, and gold miners like Newcrest and Regis were up as gold prices steadied after the morning dip. Energy stocks like Woodside and Origin Energy were also in the green. Markets in Hong Kong, meanwhile, zoomed up at start to an intraday high of 22,103, with realty, energy and financials providing support. Things seem to have cooled off post that, with the Hang Seng Index up by about 0.5% right now, and the China Enterprises Index up by nearly 0.7%. Henderson Landers holding on to its gains. China Shenhua, meanwhile, has logged a strong performance throughout the session, and HSBC Holdings is also up by 1%.
Yeah, we can definitely see the gains are very broad across the region. South Korean shares are building from their 6-week lows, while Taiwan is also up. Give us the highlights from both these markets.
Well, Jung Feng, shares in Seoul were up more than 1%, taking cue from the positive global economic sentiment, though there are still concerns about the US Fed's stimulus drawdown lingering in the back of investors' minds, in addition to worries about India and Indonesia, which are export markets. Tech shares and construction shares saw an early surge. Samsung Electronics rose 3%, snapping its 5-day losing streak as foreign investors began bargain hunting. SK Hynix and LG Display were also up. Hyundai Motor shares were in the green, but trade in the stock was volatile amidst fears of a prolonged workers' strike. Doosan Heavy Industries and Construction rose more than 1% on news that the firm was preparing for an acquisition of Italian defense group Finmecca's energy unit Ansaldo Energia. The TAIEX, meanwhile, has risen almost 1% as tech heavyweights like Taiwan Semiconductor gained almost 3%. HTC and United Micro are also doing well, though Apple supplier Largan Precision is down almost 1%. That's all from me, Jung Feng. Back to you.